And when I hear that little guy talk and talk him journey and talk what transpired with him and Tina, you know, I am sure Tina would watch it because she will be out on her fake page and watching even though she take down her page. And I can tell you, I really, 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 I don't know. You come back out here and try to attack this child that could be your son? You should be ashamed of yourself as a big woman. The guy have done you nothing. Only because you saw Danago posted the guy out. And you start on that guy and you went after the guy brand. And the guy have no problem with you. But you know the part, let me tell you something. I wonder if you'd have really come back. When him say you come like a throne, yeah. Because you never grow. You never know when to be the bigger person. You always try to go down. And this the same thing what you do. And this is why I had to step in. The same thing what you do with Kris. The same thing what you do with Kris. You know, say I get to you, a only boy. When you're done, you're not no shame when you go after the guy mother. You need to come out, come explain because you say your mother was a teenage mother and your father did in the army. Why can't you go to your mother's house when you go to Jamaica? Your mother is married. Why you can't go seek love for you from your family them? Why you can't go down to your daughter go help her? And I am not hiding. I am going over Atlanta Festival. You're too out of order. You're too rude. Why you come out and attack the people them and you come out this man and come a go on and a sing and a go on. You're not happy, you're sad. You have a problem with people when you see them over. I don't have no. Everybody free to go where them go. You don't pay people internet bill. You don't buy phone give people. How comes Dana can't do her live without you over there? You think you miss Kris and Dana live yesterday? But me tell you something. The only reason why you not come out this morning is because you see Karen very active over Kris. You see Karen very active, and I can tell you Karen finish. She get what she forget and she in her big job right now because let me tell you something. Karen is working. You see, don't tell us something, Tina. Everybody where you try to tear down, everybody where you try to push down, they ahead of you. Look how you send one. Yes, she miss her mother. She miss her mother final days. She may be not see her grandkids, and she must see them because the son would go down with them. But you know, maybe she want to babysit tonight. Karen, don't worry about that. Them will come down and you will babysit them. And let me tell you something. You called immigration and the girl to tell them that the girl, when she go to Canada, go do, I might block you. Tina can go to Canada. Under me, over me dead body, Tina will be going to Canada. You know, hear me tell her, say, here she blame Lorraine. I sent, didn't you hear me tell her, say, a prominent, I was shocked. You know, me telling no things from here, and I must think a joke me I make. I was minding my own business. Because after that, after when I send and the lady with the C's and the sis and so on, she go with a third party and the lady decides that she gonna buy the product. I was minding my own business and I got a call. I will not say who, from a very prominent people. Me not discriminate people, but I know not dibby and I know bagga Jamaican. I was shocked to see that person even calling me. I was shocked. Me soon come. Soon let come out for the live. More time I see the on my live, me soon come. Then she fast I go in black car. So I was shocked to see to get that call from that person, and that person asked me for the videos for the award person contact, and I give over every information and some videos that I have, and the person sent off everything. And now we are going after the Atlanta festival because it was brought to my attention that Tina, them sponsor Tina, the same way Tina can mess with people brand, sit down on her live, telling people, calling Danako cake, telling people and going around the same way. We can put the proof, and the lady sent them off, and the lady is sending off everything because the lady, I will only let you know that it's a lady. You know what the lady wanted to do? Luckily, you're too fast enough. You soon get black. You don't worry. One man you're going to get up and just can't find the page. You're too enough. You, where you see there, you know yourself. Me not call no name, me no. You too. One man you're going to just get up and can't find the page. So, the lady was good. Luckily, you know, like one day, and the lady was ready to send the letter to the sponsors. People, I had to explain, to tell the lady, no, the sponsors have nothing to do with it, not even the lady for the award, because if somebody recommend the lady. Because the lady said Tina make she disgusting, Tina make, there's a Jamaican, how Tina go on. And Tina, are you surprised to know is who? People cannot take your behavior on the internet when you sit down and drag people without, and nobody see nobody at trouble you. Nobody see nobody at trouble you. So when you say people come out by you, you better, I will be blocking page name, every name. And I don't know, but one man you're going to get up and can't find the page, you will be blocked all over. You'll get too much trouble by you. Good morning. And when you see things like these concern Jamaican way, don't even depend on social media, but just your action alone. When you go sit down in your car and call somebody and you're telling like, where the video there? How comes you can't find the video? You always have proof. Look on the nastiness them when you go up and Google, go write about Dana. But look on them when you go right on the woman. Look, when you take up all the car time, remember say from Sheena Carter time you say, them puncher your tire, you know. The last person when you say puncher that tire, you know, was unalive when you say the guy over England, you know. So when I hear Noel live last night, I was like, me wonder if Tina sit down as a mother to a young guy, sit down and listen the pain where you cause somebody's son, the pain where you cause somebody's child, all because of bad mind. You hear what you say on the live the evening? This and nobody tell me. How comes him always a come for magazine or everything? And when you're done, you are going to say. When you're done, you are going to say. You're going to contact tourist board. Right, don't you send the bricks? I know when she had sent me so long right pan and like the man and she said Kris they are Jamaica. But you talk about the immigration are foolishness. When me say foolishness, it's wicked, you know. What about the lady where ordered the 2 cake from her from England and she's spitting at the woman cake and think a Kris send them? What about that? That more even dangerous. And what about the when she take up festival and send her go flame Miss Lothian business? And I don't know who tell her say Miss Lothian affiliate with somebody in the law, and that's why she not put out the woman. No one, you know, 2 Because festive, which part Miss Lothian have #2 restaurant at the festive go a hairdresser. So the immigration serious. Because at the end of the day, Kris would get a fine, but an innocent man we are looking hard earning bread would get himself in the system and a problem. But what about the spitting of the cake for the lady from England? You don't ever think that me, to tell you the truth? Me know the immigration part, but it's serious because Kris never have no illegal do in the country. In our business. But the spitting a cake serious. More than the immigration to me. Because an innocent woman order 2 cake from you. An innocent woman order 2 cake from you because you go up on the woman profile and see the woman follow Kris, you're spitting at the cake. And you have your brand. And when you do the video and you delete them, you feel like you're smart. That's why I know say Tina now have a mental illness, she have something to worry now. And a prison mash up Tina. Tina wicked before Tina got to prison. It only get more advanced to advanced stage. But nobody, even the same IMO kitchen here, IMO kitchen. But cause the bitch never know say IMO kitchen is a man, you know. I'm here Tina pan her live a class IMO kitchen. The most weird. And upon this woman, I said, Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Poor IMO kitchen. Say IMO kitchen a troller and a troubler. I was like, Almighty God. Somebody can beat us so. You know, say I know me don't see Tina, even with Lauren, I don't care when nobody wants to say. Me no see Tina have a buckle per ear where it worth it. Tina and Dana, remember I know, me don't know about nobody, but me know say me have to trust you. So me go to you about certain things. When I go act you for something, I go say to you so that say, boy, you know, me get up and me no feel too good today. I me say something, me have to trust you. So me don't know how other people say. If me not trust you, me not telling you certain things. Right? Either me trust you or me don't care for talk what me do or just some stay. So when me go back down and me look, Tina and Babsy, where the backside you and Babsy are doing a sound clash? Where you and Big Box TV are doing a sound clash? Yeah, but you can suffer from mental disorder, but your character, Tina's character, play a great thing. Because let me tell you something, what is Tina's problem, and anybody have that problem. I said it on here once. People, let me tell you something. Being as I mentioned them name already. Me and Chef Noel can have a little disagreement and a little problem, and I don't like him or not. But me must not have a problem if I say Leisha talking to Chef Noel, because what Leisha must know say she forgive me the respect of don't hold a conversation to Chef Noel about me. And what Chef Noel must know say, don't go to Leisha about me. Me don't see you, don't see me. That's just it. Thank you very much for the stars. But I cannot, and people, Tina have a problem as soon as Tina say Dana share out nobody, because even Kris, Tina, I saw Kris. I know when Kris, that's why I tell her, say, I don't know me, I watch Kris a long time. From Kris in my apartment, Marga, and a baking cake, and a decorating cake. Me always see my decorating cake like he must debate them. I sit, but in always in my apartment, only the decorating, me always see my door. Me I said, Jesus, the guy you're talented. I got all at Trinidad when Kris make all them flag cake for them independent, and I was so proud of him. When time him a river witch or something and them, you know, until when time they look when Tina caught, Tina go over there and I feel paid, go trouble Kris, so Kris go out there now. Nobody can tell me say I know that girl. Dexter and Pottinger funeral. And me say, Jesus, you know, if you say a Jamaican cat, that's how me stay. Me know, you see, true, me know me. I don't give a damn what people when don't know me want to say about me. And me say, look how this guy get involved, go down, bury Dexter Pottinger in a style, you know, play a great role, you know, him never watch. Say, look, because I say, for all who don't know about Dexter Pottinger, he was in jail one and then he was deported back to Jamaica. And you know, at that time, Kris was building his brand. He was very good always in his craft, but he was building his brand. And some people would distance themselves. He was there until the last, got down at his funeral. He played a great part. So you can go look on it over YouTube. And I said, no, you see what? Him stand up. Him could have walk away. Because we know our mentality when somebody get deported. But him stand up. And then this girl know one little fame. Can nobody know Tina. Nobody know Tina never have no good reputation. One little fame. That was the same thing what you do with Raga Shanti and everybody. One little fame and then she just go for try to push them over. And all because Kris went to Jamaica and meet up with Donna. You're going to send the man a voice deal. You want to know which side. How low are you? Tina just cannot bear the fact. Let me tell you what Tina does when people share out Donna that people for go and cuss Donna. Tina, we don't like you. But because you cuss Donna, she friend with you. Even Tina and Lorraine, as much as I don't like Lorraine, I don't like that girl. And she must supposed to know by this. Tina and Lorraine no fear have nothing over cake because Lorraine say sugar and butter. All because she see Lorraine a bake. And she don't know when to put down nothing because if you go and look back on what Michelle Bradshaw, me listen to both she and me tell you, me listen to both of them. Some you know them in them media and them a put them comment and them bang around. And then she comment and say Michelle whatsoever, Michelle cast her man, her husband, or whosoever the man was to Michelle. The man that climb up on Michelle then cast the man the demise. Michelle and her have had them. Listen what Michelle said. Michelle said after when she realized it was Tina and Lorraine introduced her to Tina, she decided to let things go. Tina say she did have up Michelle from them time they did a watch her. She did, remember you know, Michelle said, remember you know, she left the comment, you know. And say Michelle cast the man for lose him like Michelle whatsoever part of her. But Michelle said she you know put them difference aside. Tina said she did have a listen back. So no know say Tina have a problem with Eve. Tina self. How can you get up one day and sit down and share out a young 30-year-old man? First of all, another thing. Noel not talk, Noel will talk him like I don't know. No, another thing what me not like. You say Noel go. Me never hear nobody say them how the backside you know Noel sexuality and what. So what? Because I'm sexuality, him not supposed to use the internet for promote him brand. Because of them sexuality, because this is all me notice. You scan and you go on because you always have a problem. And the only conclusion, because me know, and you can't sue me for this. Me have proof, me a turn Lorraine. Because me have proof from McDonald's where CJ hold down the lady school son in the bathroom for rape him. And the little boy scream out. We have proof for that. Remember, make we go back in a history. When Karen rescued the kids, one of them got to the Christian woman, the other one they got to him daddy. And CJ went to a lady. Remember when the lady come here, Tina? Remember said the lady kept CJ a watch Gay Prone. And cause you don't like to remember your past, but me I go remember you. And when the lady conk him in her head, it look like the lady conk him real hard. He get up another man in anger school. And then it want to put him in the state. Then it want to put him in the state. I remember say that was when Karen run to her mother to take him in. Tina, come here. Come here, Tina, come here. You remember say you did come out pan life come say when Karen dig up on a platform and say her mother take in and you tell like you know me like how you always approve yourself to be a wicked. You said the girl mother never take in your son at no time. The girl mother did want to take away your son. CJ never cute. So me nothing nobody did want to take him. Well, lie you telling. CJ is not cute. So the girl mother wouldn't want to take him. And the Karen have a son. So why the lady never want to take with her grandson and want to take with CJ? First of all, when the woman takes CJ and the woman takes CJ and take a picture, they can send the message where you write to the woman mother. You say you thank her for taking your son. You should have out you for taking your son. You decide for gun traffic illegal substance. Your kids are your responsibility. I may say you don't like your past, but Sister Karen ready. Sister Karen is ready and like Freddy. You just come out here. If you think you're bad, just say office. Just call Karen name. Karen want you call her name. Karen want you call her name out of your pit latrine and you see what happened out here. You see what happened out here because remember say Karen not tell the half yet you know. Go come out here, come mess with Karen. And me post up Karen for me picture because I say just know me and Karen the friend because you not beat Karen out here. Say just say her face. She not call Karen name, no. She don't even say the, just say the one where they say I will say me make you get deep. You just depend the one where I troll you. How you they talk? She not Karen. Cause everybody a troll you so Karen can't take that for she. When you the call, come say Karen. Just say Karen. Don't put that. Just say office or Karen. And then Karen come out you know, come read out your rights. You're too bad mind. Cause me sure don't say you know want Karen come here Tina. Tina, you remember say Coco come here, let me tell you one little piece of secret. You know me really like you, know. I like you. Yes man, here's my friend, but me tell you where they go along. You remember how Rob wife did bust your backside and bust your head and sing see people men and leave them alone. And the boat ride and make you all white turning all red. Remember one certain man, such man, where they a do some long time. Where I do so long time, the man and one woman, where they say that the woman there, she no lose no fight. And Tina, you know want Karen come out here come tell the woman say, you did there with him man. Because say if the woman know then say a fear yard. Then say a fear yard all white boat ride and the woman rob wife, her best friend wife, cause she did a mess with the girl on internet. And before she could hide and take the woman man now she post up with it. Then they rob wife, they rob him to the easy now. You know where Rob don't know go what one store give for him wife. What one store, one big store down a Manhattan, one department store, give wife and dog Tina one food. Tina ball for hungry like a went time, baby a ball for breast milk. Serious something I tell you, people. This I don't not to worry. Serious. Tina ball. Me say when she find out say Rob gone, she ball like when baby a ball for breast milk, and when baby a teeth. Him balling, weeping, moan. And Rob open the store and give him wife. So what should do now? Should Rob go on boat ride it and something so. And you always know the wife, them is always detective. Wife, you got the gate, go turn up at the boat ride. Me say, wife, you got the gate. And when wife, you got the gate and Tina come out. And somebody that on YouTube, me say, Tina and all white. Wife, lick down Tina beat them. Me say, Rob him. It look like wife beat Rob too. Me say woman beat Tina, turn Tina all white, Tina all. Tina, where's that video? Can it come, ma'am? You know, see, the woman like Tina and get a concussion. The woman clad Tina. Tina, you know, one Karen come out with the video and voice note and recording there, you know. Tina, you know what? Karen come out, you do make Karen turn in the mom, turn in there. You know one Karen come out, you remember say Karen, no remember say Karen did all day in your house. Hey, them people, me say one time, you know, they are the Karen, she, you see. Yeah, Tina, you know say you're wicked. Karen was a lifesaver for you. Me say one time, you know, people, tell you what happened. Tina married, I must say 3 times. Tina, she married over there, you know. Tina married to backside. Tell on no people business. Yeah, whole heap of people business. You know what I should have not sell on the Dentoria about to not get to it. And over time, because I should have gone long time. But me say, me tell you know people, Tina married. When Tina married now, Tina live in a house with Tina husband as a married woman. No, lie. She married and live with a kid man. She live with kid man. Husband got the yard to backside. Her husband got the yard. And sister Tina live with kid man in the house. People, husband get wild like a truck fender to backside. Can't start fire. Fire half door drop off to backside. Tina call one of the kick man. Call one of the kick man. A sucker and I know say are the many men of Tina, you know. Tina call one of the kick man because they say the door gone now, door gone in a winter time. We are talking about with 3 kids into house, you know. In a project. Another project junker that. People, when poor Karen know, me say Karen know, as you know Karen she because it look like Karen was the madam for the office crew, you know. She was the madam. You want to say Karen know, when Karen know they look sorry for the 3 unfortunate kids, them know to put on back the door. Karen, if it's lie, me I tell, come out your contact and bring your liar, come your bait you another one. When me say I don't mean that one there, but me know the story. You never tell me know it. Karen, I walk up and down now, sorry for the 3 unfortunate kids, them you know. So when time Karen, sorry for the 3 unfortunate kids, them you know. And I look somebody. Only if it's one of Tina kick man then come for put on the door, me say Karen frightened or something. Karen, our whole life is a mess. Karen are the one we always got Tina. Enough time them want because they say, I don't know, say Karen come from down a Rima. Karen not so easy. No. Enough time them want knock out Tina dance. A Karen tap them. A Karen get the other. Karen was the madam. The deed Karen at the backbone. Karen take care of Tina out of Karen also money. Karen pay Tina rent. Karen buy clothes get Tina for garden. Karen buy liquor get Tina. Karen buy grocery for Tina picking it up. Karen do every God Almighty thing for Tina. Karen was really a friend to Tina. I really ride and die-hearted. No Tina, no how Tina stay do her everything. You know, see when time Tina get catch, a Karen run. Where was Uno now ask the question why Mr. Walters and Tina have siblings over there and they never look upon her. Tina mama did they find a woman a bill her house with her husband in Jamaica. Them never look upon her. Karen was the one who run to the kids' rescue. Uno ever think and look upon that? Tina have her father over there. And when it done, he got all immigration. She know nobody never want to be a wedding witness. And you know, so the girl go down and come back. And you know the name, and Tina go report the girl. So how the girl sign her wedding certificate in her wrong name. And Tina know that Tina, where you see there, is a wicked girl. Very devious woman. So when you got talk, now make Karen come out here. Because a long time your life reckless. You have your tree picking them in a house and man a come corner half door. So how now you come ball out when them big in a social media like big stinking dirty case where you come out and people. So why you not talk about the man who corner off the door with your tree picking them in the house? Where Karen have to come to them rescue and I turn up and down and I go on like say and I try look somebody for put on back the project door because they say Karen couldn't afford for them put you out. And then actually one of your man come. Why you not tell the people them that how good Karen was to you and still is good? Because I'm tell you something, Karen could have put out everything. Anytime you trouble the girl, like how you see her what you over Kris page and you come out and come talk about Chester. Karen, if Karen correct the book, nothing wrong with that. If Karen go and correct the book for you, them a teach you how to write, a little girl print over about the book like how them, at least they mean you good. Because the amount of people who buy a book and cannot read it. All Karen and her mother did to you was good. Nothing but good. Can you send Karen the mess? Then if Karen is so wicked to you, and so wicked to you, and take your 12, or them people make you one sweeter joke. Tina left him pinning them enough for 7 years and I come back and say Karen thief $1,200 from her and I brought back TV. $1,200 you didn't want to pay Johnny Cochran and Mr. Kardashian and still mind you pitting them and still make you must say mad because you don't know money. You think I dope? Remember man. $1,200, but he couldn't tell nobody say for the 1,200 in my war Karen. He got talk to Karen signing with the certificate in a wrong name. You know she went to Jamaica and come up back on a different Bible. But the good thing is, you still do have a high school certificate. Neither you nor none of your picnic them have it, and Karen have a university degree in our big job. But that don't say she not come out here that not say she not come out here come fling out your file them. Where you now want to come out. And most Johnny Cochran she didn't want them Karen IFR brighter out harder. The one who stand up by you, where was your friend? The African man, but I'm going to tell you something. The African man who live up on the building where get in and the coke to push up in there underneath, you know. The man they disappear. Then Dan taking money and gone. Dan taking money and run. Cause Karen they go rescue the picnic them. And run and left Tina. Nobody don't know which part the broadback TV and the blow up mattress gone. Then you really come out now where you want to argue with Karen. Don't argue with Karen. You have to pay Karen. You owe Karen plenty money. If you take up your unfortunate kids them. If you take up your best. Take up all the dirty drawers them. Pay your dirty drawers that the house like carpet. We then see it black. And then the Karen go rescue your three unfortunate people them right by your daughter's birthday. All you could have do is tell send immigration pan the girl about the girl sign your paper. The girl a fraud this. And you left your picnic by your birthday. You think you could have stopped her? Bad mind, you bad mind, Karen, because you think so when you think say when you dip Karen did a go Jamaica go suffer, but you want to go do charity round and Rima, you should have go down there, make Karen hold you and tear you up like a people that tear up newspaper. You go along around them, man, go along around there. Enter your singer Jamaica, Karen in my head from. Why you not go down there? Tony meet Karen down there. Down to Tony, where you get case to meet Karen down there. Why you not go meet Karen? Why you not gonna meet Karen like an evil girl? Why you don't gonna meet Karen when you come out here? With the white pie your tongue with your syphilis tongue. You better continue go on a Montgomery Plaza go see if you can catch man because they say you better put up the man catching money there because you're gonna need a lawyer when Sister D come in and grab you in a courthouse. With the all mad cell. Galang in there go tell the judge you know no video. Boy you call up the woman name and tell them about Donna Marigo. Karen go to Jamaica go get her degree in her big work. So you must feel like say you taking Karen out of America and Karen still have her son and her grandkids them over there. Still have her son and her grandkids them over there. Karen there Jamaica look more refined and smooth. And so Karen, come put up Karen picture for your seat how beautiful the woman is. Somebody will help your Karen mother taking your picnic. But yeah, come talk and send home the girl. You're too wicked. But girl thief, you're $1,200. You can't talk about $1,200 when you go and leave your pin them. $1,200. You didn't leave lawyer fee here. Cause all in the fear man, you know, if Karen the pay like me, Karen never pay no money, you pick it every name it. Gone name you pick it there and shit. Cause you pick them name the money and $1,200 can't feed them. For 7 years I send them to school. Man, now your uncle go check it out if I case your father go check it out. If I want a case for your daddy, then Katina and no female father, then call no me want no CJ father. Me want to know who we see. I see him when she live with Craig, you know, people. Let me tell you another party at you know. Tina, me hear Tina come out of the account and say, Tina, me wonder if you think before you talk. Come talk about say platform holder we send home illegal people. You forget say Tony. I when Tony clot in your backside. You call immigration and send one Tony with I left CJ, that CJ grow without the man when you say I'm daddy. You forget why you send one Craig for? Because now it's a thinking dirty woman go on here. Boy, you come out and come and go like it's done in you. You cannot take the heat. Check out if you are I'm not sure Tony a kid it off place in the daddy. Tina too bad mind. Everybody what she see a progress. She have a problem with them. And she mean to say because she and Dana and talk, nobody not supposed to talk to Dana. But coupon you too. You can't tell people to talk to on the internet. Coupon you too. Y'all go here and go find a dentist and clean off them. Go get one chisel and clean off them syphilis there for your tongue and go see what happened to your tongue and go see if you can find. Go bake 2 cake and go sit and go get 2 man. I don't know what I'll go because you have problem, you have to repair your body, you have to find lawyer fee. Every day you have lawyer. I don't think you did say you have paper for sue Kris what day. So you make Kris come and go back and you have paper for sue Kris for your daughter. Girl bright and think and workless. Hold on there. Hold on there. Let me get something. No don't move. Let me forget you know so me forget. People, Tina says she not tear down woman and she not tear down woman brand. People who didn't know me have the article. Who didn't know me have the article, you know, with Itiana. Where Tina cuss the woman and disgrace the woman. Say because she want the woman did for perform. So what happened to the cancer gala where you did plan Tina and cuss the woman and degrade the woman? But I think you say you not degrade people. Because the woman refused. Itiana refused to perform for Tina. Tina, nobody now perform for you. People see your action all over the ears. No because you delete the video them. What happened to that event then?